LANCIA Pu+Ra HPE, the first car in Lancia's new era, 100% electric, with a vision for the future in terms of range with over 700 kilometers, little more than 10 minutes of charging time, and energy consumption less than 10 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. A series of aerodynamic features: low roof, slim digital wing mirrors, aerodynamic wheels, 3 front protection plates, and aerodynamics. LANCIA Pu+Ra HPE is the natural evolution of LANCIA Pu+Ra Zero, displaying many of the features of the 3-dimensional sculpture unveiled last November. This car is named LANCIA Pu+Ra HPE. Pu+Ra refers to the brand's new, pure and radical design language, while HPE stands for High Performance Electric, for a car that is eco-sustainable, exciting and evolved, all at the same time. The interiors of LANCIA Pu+Ra HPE express full coherence with the brand's new, pure and radical design language, thanks to the use of iconic and simple shapes that eschew the typical automotive language. LANCIA will launch the new Ypsilon in 2024, in both hybrid and electric versions. From 2026 only 100% electric cars will be launched. And from 2028, concurrently with the arrival of the new Delta, the brand will exclusively sell electric models.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.